Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do a collective haul for you today. This has been actually from the past week and a half, maybe 2 weeks. Yeah, because I didn't film this past Monday, so it would be 2 weeks that I've kind of been collecting this. So, AliExpress, I received these kind of rubber jelly fruit pieces. They weren't what I expected. I thought they were going to be a hard acrylic, like a cabochon. But I think I can make these work. I still think they're really cute. They're really vibrant. They're really well made. You know, they're put together really nice. And sometimes with the, oh, I say that and then I see like a little weird thing on the carrot there. But sometimes the paint can be, you know, not be nice. So I got these fruit. Obviously just kind of in the summer mood when I ordered those, obviously. Obviously, I'm going to keep saying obviously. These I collected kind of for the fall. I took some deeper colors here when I chose them, but I really like these bows. I think they're so pretty, and these are acrylic. I have some bales coming to make these into charms, but I didn't get those yet. So I have 4 different colors here. I have the kind of a caramel color, actually 5 colors, a chocolate brown, a pink, a black, and a red. So I really like those. I'm excited to work with those. I think they'll be really cute on a dangle. Another thing from AliExpress were these strawberries. I really loved, I think Tammy, hi Tammy if you're watching, did a strawberry shortcake chart, pinks and reds and greens, and it was so cute. So I was totally inspired to do that. So I've been trying to get some strawberry pieces. So I got these. Again, I need my bales to make them into charms, but quite a few of those. And then the last thing from Ali is just this camera shaker die. I've been wanting to get a camera die for quite some time, so I saw this one and picked it up. And it's also a memory deck. So that was it from AliExpress. The next was Michael's. I had gotten a couple things that I needed. I needed some more gold sequins, so I picked those up. I found this fun pom-pom trim on clearance. It was $2, and it's hot pink. And it's just puff balls all connected. Really like that. They had these in the regular colors, like some pastels, but it wasn't on clearance. But so I just picked that up. This I thought was an amazing deal. This was on clearance for $5. I don't know if it was a clearance or a sale, but it was only $5. There's 300 pieces in there. And let me open it up so you guys can actually see what the beads look like. Yeah, these are nice. Very nice. They're very light. I love the colors. Look at how fun those are. There's like this pale yellow. There's a peach. Very pretty. Yeah, I'm really happy with these, especially for the price. That was really a good deal for $5, all of those. So that's that. I found these pom-poms on clearance, and I wish I was able to find more colors, but they are different types. So you can see that there are like a yarn pom-pom, which are these. They are a kind of a fur pom-pom, and then they have your regular like poofy puff ball ones, and those come in a couple different sizes and a couple different variations of colors. So I thought those were fun. I just like the color. I think orange is fun. And those were on clearance for $2 as well. I picked up this tool. I just thought it was really neat, and I think this is going to go really neat with 2 different collections that I have that I'm going to be working with soon. It might be the opening. All right, so like I said, I think this will go with the Buenos Dias collection, and I think it'll also go with a collection that I got from Tuesday morning that's kind of all like girl power, and that's pinks and oranges. So look how fun that is. That's got an aqua, a yellow, an orange, and a pink. I love that. I'm gonna have fun with that tool. I picked up this embroidery. It's not really floss, it's just a metallic thread, and it's thicker, and I wanted this to wrap some bows that I'm gonna make. When I do my circus theme, I'm gonna make some carousel type bows, and I want this to wrap the centers with. So got that. And then the last thing I picked up were these journals, and I have been having a hard time finding journals that are fitting in this size altered like junk journal type books that I've been making, and this one's just a little bit big, but I think it'll be fine. Actually, it fits perfectly. Okay, so I picked up, I think 7 of these, and I wasn't sure what the inside looked like, if I had to cover the inside when I altered them or not. No, the insides are white, so that's great. So you just have to do the one side. You know, I usually cover it with paper that matches the collection that I'm going to be working with, and those will fit just perfectly inside there. So good, like at least now I know where I can find them. So I picked up those. Next is Hobby Lobby. I found these popcorn stickers. Those were 74 cents. So I picked those up for that circus theme that I'm going to be doing. These I also picked up for that. They're little popsicle sticks or lollipop sticks, and these were in the baking aisle, but they are yellow, green, blue, and pink. So I think those would be fun. I think I'm going to do cotton candy on the top of those. And then I did get roped in, no pun intended, into this twine to make the rainbows. So I wasn't loving all the colors they had. I was really wishing they had some more colors, because everybody's are going to be these 3 same colors. And I'll link the video I'm referring to down below if you haven't seen it yet. But I just wanted to get these. They also had like a brown, a black, and a gray, I think. And I didn't love those. And then this is what you use for the base. So I got those. And I think that is it for the week, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.